7 signs you're smarter than you think. We noticed everyone likes it better when we get straight into the video, so let's go. 1. You have high self-control. Having high self-control can mean many things. You can easily resist temptations, including impulsive shopping, avoiding bad habits, bad people, unhealthy things, and so on. Not being a sheep in a big herd is something many people believe they are doing, but honestly only a select few are avoiding this rat race that we call life. Intelligent people are able to control their emotions and sometimes even completely cut something out of their lives out of pure stubbornness and confidence. 2. You're a problem solver. You don't complain, you get to work and find a solution for yours and others' issues. Have you ever found yourself being someone's shoulder to cry on, and you're sitting there giving them solutions? Most people just want someone to complain to, or maybe they need someone to be there when they cry. Kind of funny that you're giving them solutions they don't want, but hey, that's a big sign you're a problem solver at heart. You strive to make everything more efficient or better. 3. You're observant. You read a room when you enter it, scanning it. Either you're doing it to find escape routes or fire extinguishers in case of emergencies, or you're checking out the kind of people that are there. You are observant and want to feel in control of a situation and knowing what to do if something were to happen. Being observant also means watching people, not in a creepy way, but studying what someone is doing differently than others to be better. Learn from people that are better than you at something to learn more about it. By the way, like and subscribe if you're enjoying so far. 4. You're curious. Being curious doesn't have to mean that you're nosy. It can mean that you are curious about new things, always seeking to improve or learning a new skill. The richest people in the world learn new things every single day. They are reflective enough to acknowledge something they might be bad at, and then seek out to improve on it, either by reading, studying, or finding someone to learn from. 5. You don't speak too much. Listen twice as much as you speak. This is even a saying in a religious book. Whoever or whatever brought us here gave us 2 ears and 1 mouth, so listen twice as much as you speak. Learning to listen to people, not only to learn but also being liked by them, is an important trait you can have. You'll find that you learn much more, and you also don't come out as obnoxious or way too talkative among other people. There's a lot to learn by just listening, so think about this the next time you talk to someone. When you finally do speak, people are also much more likely to listen to you, since they know that you're always saying something useful, or maybe even funny. 6. You worry and overthink. No, you did not read or hear that incorrectly. People who worry and overthink situations tend to be smarter than those who don't. Studies have shown that worry may evolve your intelligence. You understand that life is much more complicated than just being black and white. This does not mean it's a good thing to do, but if you do this and can also control it, then it's a sign of very high intelligence. 7. You're reflective and you think about things. This means you're more emotionally mature than others. Being able to see a situation from another person's perspective, and maybe even admitting that you're wrong, is arguably the most mature thing you can learn to do. You're not always right, even though you might be too stubborn to admit right now. You'll earn so much respect for being able to tell someone that you were wrong or just admitting that they were right. Think a little longer about things before making assumptions or jumping to a bad conclusion. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe for more animated videos. These take time to make, so it's very much appreciated. Thank you for watching and have a great new year.